Quick one for today, what are the best Lightroom export settings for Instagram in 2024? First thing that I do if it's Instagram post, I crop my image to 4:5 aspect ratio. And then I'm going to export settings. I use the same folder as the original photo and I'm putting everything on the subfolder Instagram so it will be easier for me to locate all the files necessary for Instagram post. Rename, I don't touch anything here, I'm completely happy with the default settings. Video, let's skip this. And file settings, JPEG, color space, sRGB, quality on 100. All we know that Instagram loves to compress images, so we should do it before Instagram to avoid ugly compression. So resize to fit, long edge, 2700 pixels. This works fine for me. You should experiment with this value here, but this is totally fine for me. Output sharpening, screen, amount standard. Metadata, honestly you don't care about metadata because Instagram will strip all your metadata anyways. So after those settings you can save it as a preset, click add, name it whatever, click create, and you're ready to export. And those are my settings. Also, don't forget to turn on this option for higher quality uploads and you will be all set. So this was the first video of 2024. I cannot believe that we survived all that crap. I wish you all the best in this year. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, stay awesome.